What is a ghosted campaign? When you send a reply, it will auto follow up with your contacts if they have not responded to your last message. What is the reason for a ghosted campaign? This helps to save time and to stay engaged with your contacts. Use the auto follow up to encourage a reply to your message sent. Now, when are you going to apply a ghosted drip campaign? Anytime you send a message that you're expecting a response from, applying the ghosted drip will help to encourage a reply from your contacts if they may have become busy or unresponsive to help to encourage a reply from them.
As you can see, the rest of those messages completely disappeared. Now, from here, I'm going to go ahead and reply back. And I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Now, let's go ahead and take this a step further. Now, after responding to the contact, I'm going to actually add this customer to a ghosted campaign. Now, this is a campaign that is designed to wait. Messages will not go out for another 24 hours. So to do that, I'm going to go down here to where it says add to campaign. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to search for my ghosted campaign. I'm going to click on add to campaign. And now, as you can see, a series of messages are going to actually go out. Now, why do we do this? Well, if the contact doesn't reply back within that time, the ghosted campaign kicks in, sending out a new set of follow-up texts automatically. This is going to help to stay engaged with your leads without needing to send out manual follow-ups. This is going to help save you a ton of time while keeping the conversation alive. Now, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and make a ghosted campaign today to follow up with your customers tomorrow. Now, for more information about drip campaigns, check out the rest of my videos in the drip campaign series, or you can always book a demo, use the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And always remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.